Hi, my name is Miguel Leal with Fully Promoted in McAllen, Texas. The reason for this tutorial is to fairly explain how to get that signature onto that document. You've already obviously placed your order on your DHR Health / Fully Promoted website, which is this one right here. You've already waited the time that it needed to be waited so that you are able to pick up your merchandise. And you receive this email from us saying, here are your details. And it says your order. And it says, make sure to read the instructions. And if you read your instructions, it tells you DHR requires you to electronically sign the attached document. By signing, you're agreeing to the merchandise listed is exactly what you requested, that you also agree to the payroll deduction / benefits terms and conditions that were not only provided to you by DHR staff, but also it's on the DHR / Fully Promoted website as you were placing your order. And then, of course, that you'll be picking up the merchandise. Either you already have or are in the process of picking it up. And then, you're able to obviously do this electronic signature by doing either Adobe Reader or by using a third-party app, or by doing it the old-fashioned way of printing the document, signing and dating the document, scanning it, and then emailing it to us by either replying to the email or composing one. And of course, if you're composing one, you just need to make sure that it's just like as is here, which is what it says right up here. So it should say, RE : details of your order, and then your order number. So let's get started with how to, in regards to signing a document in Adobe Reader. So at first you need to open the document. By doing so, in my case, I'm going to go ahead and go to the little arrow, and I'm going to go open with, or I'm going to go to show in folder. You could either one. In this case, I'm going to go show in folder because I do have more than one type of Adobe. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and right click, and I'm going to go ahead and open with Adobe Acrobat, which is what you need. It's something that's free. It's free. Adobe Acrobat is free. You could download and use it. So this is the version here. You go ahead and click here. And since I've already done it before, it already has my signature, but I'm going to go ahead and remove it so I can show you what it looks like. So you go to, it look like this for you, maybe. It says add signature or add initials. You want to go to add signature. There's 3 ways of signing. You could either download an image that you've already done with your signature. You could draw your signature by using the cursor, or if you have a iPhone or iPad that is touch, anything that's touchscreen, you should be able to use that. Or in this case, you could type up, and I'm going to go ahead and type it up. I'm going to put my name, Miguel Angel Leal. I'm going to go ahead and click apply. And as you do that, it'll show up on the document shortly. And once you do, you can see it right here. I'm going to go ahead and move it all the way to the bottom, and right in between total product quantity, which is right there, and order notes. I'm going to put it right in here. Doesn't make a difference where, just as long as it's there. I'm going to make it nice and big. I want it to be very legible. Then you're going to click out of it. Click right over here. And then as you click out of it, you'll notice that my cursor goes from a pointer to now a AB. And you could go ahead and, this is so that you could write your date, and you could do that anywhere you like as long as it's in this area. So you could put it on the top or on the bottom of your signature, it's fine, or even next to it, it's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and click it right here, and I'm going to put today's date, which is February the 15th of 2022. And of course, you could write it out with numbers, or you could write it out with full name, however you prefer. I'm going to go and make it like a little bit bigger, that way it's easy to see for the DHR staff. And I'm going to go ahead and go to File and Save As, or you could just click on this little envelope. And once you click on the little envelope, then of course you save it onto your desktop or wherever you like, and then you go ahead and go to your back to your email. So I'm going to go and minimize this. I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to go to Reply. And on there, all you need to do is reply. You do not need to, put anything on the body. You just need to reply to it with the attached file. So you go to Attach Files, and then you look for the file wherever you saved it, and that is it. It automatically will send it to us here at Fully Promoted. It will automatically provide the subject line that it needs to have. And then in the body, you don't, like I said, you don't have to say anything. You just have to send the attachment. Then at that point, we'll go ahead and mark you off that you've already signed it. and we will also forward that to DHR. Again, my name is Miguel Leal with Fully Promoted here in McAllen, Texas. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And if you have any questions either way, you always give me a call back at 956-683-8006. Once you've already signed this document, send that via email. All you got to do is come by to our facility. Let us know that you're here. And once you're here, we could go ahead and do curbside pickup. Or, of course, you could come down as well and pick up your merchandise physically. Just keep in mind that if for whatever reason we're still requesting face masks, then you do wear a face mask prior to coming in. And that will be asked of you in the emails. And we'll change that as necessary. But as of right now, as of February 15th of 2022, our facility is still requesting or requiring face masks upon entry. Again, my name is Miguel Leal with Fully Promoted. If you have any questions, give me a call back. Thank you, and you guys have a good day. Take care.